warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Agnisheila Nada. I'm from University of Muhammadiyah Prof. Dr. HAMKA. In this opportunity, I'd like to tell you about in your high school mathematics. In 7th grade, there is experimental probability and slope. In 8th grade, there is probability of independent event and dependent event.
Let's go to the topics. Have you ever heard of experimental probability? Experimental probability. The probability of an event determined by carrying out a simulation or experiment. There are several kinds about experimental probability. First, throwing dice. Second, tossing a coin. Third, choosing a card from a deck. Fourth, spinning the spinner, and etc. Example: Hermione spun the spinner 20 times. Her result is shown in the table. Blue has 4, green has 6, and purple has 10. The solution is experimental probability of spinning the spinner and landing on purple equals 10 divided by 20 equals 1 second. Have you ever heard of slope? Slope, a rate of change in a proportional relationship between two quantities. Example from the slope is, there is question, what is the slope of the line through 4, 5, and 6, 3. We know that the 4 is x, 5 is y, 6 is x-axis, and 3 is y-axis. For the answer question about slope, the slope equals change in y divided by change in x. Okay, the answer is 5 minus 3 divided by 4 minus 6 equals 2 divided by minus 2 equals minus 1. And the answer from the question is the slope of the line through 4, 5, and 6, 3 is minus 1. Probability of independent event. Probability of independent event. The outcome of one event doesn't affect the outcome of the other event. Example, what is the probability of landing on blue on the first spin and the landing on green on the second landing? Question, what is the probability of landing on blue on the first spin and then landing on green on the second landing? The probability is symbolized with P. And the question is the probability blue and green. Blue and green equals probability of blue times probability of green equals 1/4 is probability of blue times 3 divided by 8 and then equals 3 divided by 32. And the probability of blue and green is 3 divided by 32, or 3/32. The probability of dependent event. The outcome of one event has an impact on the outcome of the other event. For the example from probability of dependent event is marbles in a bag. There are 2 blue marbles and 3 red marbles. Okay, what are the probability of getting a blue marble? The probability of blue marble is 2 divided by 5. But after taking one out, the probability change. So the next time, if we got a red marble before, then the probability of a blue marble next is 2 divided by 4, or 2/4. If we got a blue marble before, then the probability of the marble next is 1 divided by 4, or 1/4. Theory helps a researcher in making decisions about an uncertain event. Of course, in everyday life, there is never a certainty.
Conclusion is, if we learn mathematics, we must be practice, and practice, and we can get our purpose.
That's all. I wish you good luck, goodbye, and so on.
Watching my video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye. Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. There is probability of depend in 8th grade. There for